Alright, what I'm going to do in this video is go through how to upload the Ambrose digital streaming video MARC records into Alma. And I'm actually going to, let me log out here. What you're going to do is go to the ambrosevideo.com website and click on Customer Login and log in with your username and password. And you're going to get to this page here, and I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. You're going to want to click Downloads, and you're going to see a list of all of the different collections that we bought. So we're going to go ahead and download this one that says Ancient History. So I'm going to click on it with my left mouse button, and I have a program called MARC Edit by Terry Reese loaded on my computer. What that does is it's going to open up these MARC records in this program. On this screen you're going to see where it says input file and output file. You're going to want to select MARC 21 equals MARC 21 XML, and I'm going to click on Translate to UTF-8 and click Execute. And we're going to go click on Tools and Return to Main Menu and click MARC Editor. And then click File, Open. Alright, let's try that again. Okay. So I'm going to click on Ancient History. Actually, okay, I'm going to I'm going to do MARC 21 XML. And we're going to select the Library Technical Services folder. And I have a folder for Ambrose. Okay, and Alright, so now we're going to go to the main menu and MARC Editor, and we're going to open up that file. Which is right here. Okay. And I want to save this as a .mrc file. So I'm going to click on Save As and select markfile.mrc. Alright, so now I've got the file saved as XML and a MRC file. I'm going to open up Alma, and we're going to go to the Resource Configuration menu under Import Profiles, and you'll see that I set up a profile for Ambrose Video, and let's take a look at that. The way I did it was I just gave it a profile name. There's a drop-down menu with different vendors listed, but Ambrose is not listed here, so I selected Other. The import protocol is upload files. The physical source format, you have a choice of doing XML or binary. So I saved it as an XML file, and I also saved it as an MRC file. So if we try to upload this as MRC file, we would select binary and UTF-8. If we try to do it as an XML file, you're going to select XML right there. I did it both ways because I'm still having trouble uploading the files, and I was successful doing it one time, and I just wanted to make sure I had options. Source format MARC21 bibliographic. It defaults to active. If you have it set on inactive, it's not going to upload the records. So you don't need to worry about file name patterns or crosswalk. And the target format's MARC21 bibliographic. This normalization, I didn't fill anything out on here. The match profile is apparently, I think, something for, well, actually, I'm not sure, but I think it's something for authority records, possibly. The set management tags, I had to change this to publish bibliographic records. It was defaulting to don't publish. So I did publish bibliographic records there. Inventory information. I had to create an electronic collection, and I think I actually have another video on that, so I'm not going to go through how to set up an electronic collection name. The service is full text, and the material type is streaming video, and there should be more than one portfolio in this file, so we have multiple portfolios selected. So basically, you go through all that, you click Save. To run the import, you click on Actions and click Run Import, and you're going to select the file. So we had it set on binary, so I'm going to try the .mrc file first, which is this one. You can give it a label and a notes description just to be able to ID the file later. Click on Add. Okay, so we see that it said failed during parsing record. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to pick the other one, which is the XML file. Okay, and you'll get a message that says file may have been split into multiple smaller ones using, according to the number of records. Here's the file right here. So to get it into the monitor job page, you need to click on the submit button, and then that takes you to the job history page. And you'll see I did a number of these where it said completed with errors. I finally did one that says completed successfully. We're still waiting for this job to finish. You can click on the refresh button, and okay, so it just finished. It says 100% completed successfully. So we're going to look at the results by clicking Actions and Report, and it says that 11 records were processed and total records not imported 0, so that looks pretty good. And here you have more information. Newly added records 11, total local records imported. We're importing it into the network zone, so let's take a look at these records. And so I'm looking at the MARC editor program here. There's one called the Greek City-State and Democracy, so let's look at that. I'm just going to go to repository search, and it's an electronic portfolio, so we're going to do electronic portfolio keyword and the title. Unfortunately, that did not work. Well, let's do all titles. Okay, so there it is, and you see that it's linked to the network zone, so we're looking at the institution zone here. If you click on the blue-headed man icon, it'll change to the temple icon, and you'll see that the tab says network. So this is definitely in the network zone right now, and the record is in Alma. What I am working on currently is trying to figure out, whoops, how to add these to the Ambrose video collection. And that is located here. So you can search for electronic collection. Oops. Okay, and here's the electronic collection here. It says it's a selective package, but there's no portfolios in this collection yet. So that's basically the next step, is to try to get the portfolios that we just uploaded into this particular collection.